We are reviewing a street light that turns on with the remote control, dusk to dawn, and activates the day after with the PIR sensor, security mode, and more. And what we're going to do is show you what the street light is about. Find a location to hang and secure down. With the light turn on and allowed to charge in the sun. 6 to 8 hours of sun and 8+ hours of run time. Turning the unit on and off. We're ready for the evening hours to demonstrate. As the light will light up in the nighttime, we'll show you what it looks like. As the light is on for a number of seconds with the PIR sensor, it triggers on from dusk to dawn, 0% off to 100% on for a minute. What we're going to do is go into the 25% by lowering down, 50%, 75%, and 100%. If we need to do a timer, we hit the timer, it gives a single blink. The PIR sensor is triggered. And those are the modes of the street light. As the street light dims down to 30% and detects motion, it is triggered on for 32 minutes time and will repeat when motion is detected again. If you're looking for a street light to hang up anywhere imaginable, permanent installs on the wall, side of the building, in the front or the back of the house, by the RV, the boat shed, and more, in the woods to hang up. This is a street light that takes in the sun, triggers with motion. I hope you enjoy your street light, and thank you for viewing.